growing older happens automatically, right? But growing wiser does not. So, what happens if you find yourself in a place in your life where you're dissatisfied? How much you make, what's happening around your life, you're not happy with what's happening in your family, right? How do you fix that? Get a diary, get a pen. I will show you how to fix that. You're in debt, you feel your life is messed up. If you're somebody that's still enjoying life, no responsibilities, no sense of urgency, and there's nothing driving you every day, there's nothing you're working on every day, this video is not for you. But if you're that person where you have a vision, you have a plan, you have people you want to take care of, you have a family, you have loved ones that are dependent on you being successful, right? You understand what I'm saying? This video is for you. I'm somebody that I made it, of course, I made it to some level and I lost it, and I'm making it back, right? So I'm going to walk you through the journey, how to make it back or how to make it. I don't want to care. You have so much debt, you have so much issues you want to fix right now. You want to make more money, okay? So right now, first things first, when you take your diary and you take your pen, I want you to write something. You're going to have a column, all the debts you currently owe now. Put it down. Put the name. If it's a loan app, put it down. If it's somebody you owe, put it down, right? Put all the debts you owe, right? Then, how much are you currently making right now? How much? Put all your streams of income. You're doing a job, maybe you're collecting 70K, 100K, 500K, I don't want to know. Write it down. All your streams of income, you have a business, you're doing an online investment, you collect 50K every month from it, write it down, okay? Then, how much would you want to earn that will put you in a place where you're comfortable? How much would you want to make that you'll be comfortable? Write it down. When you write it down, we will get started.